Hello students, this is Miss Dalton and this video is over quarterback rankings. Quarterback ratings. If you look at the table that is listed below, that is not the table that is in your book. I went ahead and I put in some updated stats for some more recent players since the table in your book was from 2009 and only one of those quarterbacks is still playing. So we're going to look at the quarterbacks, Dak Prescott, and the following four other quarterbacks. When you are finding the quarterback ratings and that they find when they do their stats, this is what they use. So first they're going to take the percentage of the completions per the attempt, which to find that you would have to do 100 times the completions divided by the attempt. And if you look in the table here, we have the completions here, we have the attempts here. Now they went ahead and gave you the percentage, which is in this next column here. So go ahead and use this percentage for the percentage complete. Then if you look at the next part, they want the average yards gained per attempt. So we do have the yards given, and then you would take that and you would divide it by the attempts, which will give you this average right here in this column. And so they've already found that for you. The percentage of the touchdown passes per attempt. So for that, you need to know the number of touchdowns and the number of attempts. So they give you the number of touchdowns here, and you would have to go back and you would have to use the attempts in this column. And if you use this formula right here, that will give you the percent touchdowns. Then you will also need to do the percentage of the interceptions. That information is not given for you, so to find that, you would want to do 100 times the interceptions, which is listed here, and then of course divided by the attempt. So you would go back and use that column, and that would give you the percent of interceptions. You'll use all of that information and then use this formula to get the quarterback ratings, and it should match in the table. It should match all of these ratings here within a tenth or so, because you probably had to round when you got your percent complete, the yards per attempt, the percent touchdowns, and the percent of the interceptions. Okay, so we're going to do this with Dak Prescott, and we're going to figure out if this information is correct. So if you take 100 times the completion per attempt, and I did that here, and so I got 66.66 repeating, and you can see that that is in fact what they have for the percentage right here. Okay, then if you take the yards per attempt, that would be 3,788 divided by 447. And you can see that I got 8.47, which in the table they rounded to 8.5. So next we're going to find our touchdown percentage, and you can see that he scored 23 touchdowns per 447 attempts. So when we do 100 times that, it comes out to be 5.14. You could round that to 5.15. And then the interception percentage, 100 times 11 divided by 447, and so we'll round that to 2.46. Okay, so we'll take those numbers, and then now we're going to use the quarterback rating formula to go ahead and figure out if that quarterback rating is correct. They got 99.8. Now, when I typed all of that into Desmos, you can see right here, You can't see the whole formula, but you can see a partial of it. But you can see that the quarterback rating came out to be 100. Well, they got 99.8, and I'm sure that's because they didn't round any of those values. They've got a computer software program that's doing this, I'm sure. And so, again, but you can see that it is within, you know, a 2/10 of being accurate. And so I'll make those concessions when you take your quiz and when you take your test as well. So take a second and use one of these other quarterbacks to figure out the quarterback rating, and so that you can have a little bit of practice. Okay, on this exit ticket, I know this is very old information. This is back when there was that big controversy on whether or not Jerry Jones should play Romo or Dak Prescott. And so these were the stats that we pulled for 2014 Tony Romo and 2016 Dak Prescott. Now this is the type of table that you'll see on your quiz or test. So notice that I have the completion percentage right there for you, and it's spelled out a little bit better than that previous table. And then the yards per attempt, that's going to be there as well. So when you use this formula, you'll plug those two pieces in right here. The only thing you'll have to find is you will have to find the touchdown percentage, and you will also have to find the interception percentage. And so you'll need to use those previous formulas. So make sure that you have those written down in your journal. You'll get to use your journal on the quiz, and then on the test, of course, I'll give you these formulas to use. So you just need to know how to use them. But please make sure that you have these formulas written down in your notes. So what I want you to do here is I want you to figure out what Dak Prescott's quarterback rating is, and then also what Tony Romo's quarterback rating would be based on these stats, and do that. And then when you're ready to check your answer, go ahead and play the video. Okay, check your answers. Tony Romo has the highest quarterback rating, but if you remember back when he played for Dallas, he did get hurt pretty frequently. So again, whether or not Jerry Jones made the right choice is up in the air. Now we're wondering if he should keep the coach. So hopefully you understand all of this. Again, please don't hesitate to ask questions. You can email me. You can send me a remind message. And I know that Miss Day will help you as much as she can, but please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you are struggling. Miss y'all. Hope to see y'all soon. Thanks. Bye.